New update, Shadow Kite theme. Always on display. Wake screen animation. Custom lock screen. Clock color. Home screen widget. Tap to custom style and color. Widget animation. Beautiful icon pack. HyperOS 3 Control Center support. Change settings UI. Theme name in China store. Theme default wallpapers. Black or white. Change lock screen wallpaper. Open theme app. Customize theme lock style, then custom. Change this option. Import your wallpaper. Change home screen wallpaper. Google Wallpaper app. Set wallpaper to home screen. Backup theme for global in description. If you don't know how to install China theme with backup file, watch this video. Thanks for watching video.